Hi friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So finally I came with one of the important update from the TCS. So finally TCS have announced the MBA hiring for 2026 pass out batch. So in this video I will give you complete detail about this hiring, registration date, eligibility criteria and the salary package and all things. So make sure to go through the video very carefully. First of all, talking about this that TCS MBA hiring registration is open now and last date to registration is 11 Feb 2026. Test date still they haven't given the date, but it will be announced soon. So whenever it will be announced, I will provide update in this. So this is the TCS MBA hiring batch of 2026, and who are eligible? Those who are in 2-year full-time MBA, MMS, PGDBA or PGDM program with specialization in marketing, finance, operations, supply chain management, information technology, general management, business analytics, and project management. So if you are from the batch of 2026 from a particular college, then you are eligible for this hiring. So what is the application process for this? So first of all, you have to go to the TCS Next Step portal and you have to register yourself. And if you want to know how to register in TCS Next Step portal, just search in YouTube TCS registration learning with Ram. You will get the complete video of registration. After that, you have to basically register yourself in IT category. Okay, and then you have to note the means you will get the CTDT reference ID and you have to just complete the application process and just click apply for drive. Okay, so if your comment will be there, then I will provide a detailed video for the registration. If you want, you can comment here. And test mode will be in center. Okay, you have to go to TCS center and you have to basically apply for that. So this is in center test and center allotment will be done on first come first basis, and we can go through all the detail. Talking about the main important thing, eligibility criteria. So you should have 60% in all the class 10, 12th, diploma, graduations and post graduations. And these are the highest qualification which I have already talked. Talking about the graduation background, so any graduate degree from recognized university college would be considered eligible. Means in graduation there are no any restriction, but you should be pursuing MBA. Okay, and backlog or arrear candidate having up to one backlog may appear for the selection process. However, it is mandatory to uh, close or to complete the course within stipulated period of time. Gap maximum 24 months allow until highest qualification and relevant document as applicable will be checked further. Work experience, so candidate with prior work experience of 0 to 2 year are eligible for TCS MBA hiring. Okay, so if you have some work experience, then you are also eligible. And age criteria is 18 to 28. Talking about the test pattern details, so these will be the test pattern. So duration of the test will be 90 minutes होगा and it will be split in 3 sections. So कौन सा section होगा? Verbal ability, numerical ability and business aptitude. Keep preparing for this hiring. Okay, this are because this will be a mass hiring and great hiring. Thank you.